In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about getting your paint job right so it looks fresh and lasts long without turning into a total mess. Alright, first off, always start with testing paint colors before you commit to the whole room. Grab some samples and paint patches on your walls to see how the light hits them at different times of the day. Trust me, what looks good on the chip might look totally different once it's on your wall. Next, don't skip the surface prep. You gotta clean, sand, and sometimes prime the walls or furniture you're painting because paint won't stick well to dirty or glossy surfaces, and that'll mess up the finish. When you're actually painting, use good quality brushes and rollers because cheap tools leave streaks and can make your paint look patchy. Take your time with each coat, rush jobs, mean drips, and uneven coverage, so let each layer dry fully before adding another. Also, pay attention to the edges and corners. Use a smaller brush for those tight spots so your lines come out clean. Ventilation is key too. Keep windows open or fans running so the paint dries properly and you don't get that strong chemical smell lingering forever. And don't forget to protect your floors and furniture with drop cloths or plastic sheets to avoid accidental splatters because cleanup is way easier when you're prepared. One of the biggest mistakes I see is not testing paint colors first. It's super common for people to pick a color based on a little sample card and then totally regret it once it's on their walls. Another major issue is skipping surface prep. If you don't clean and sand properly, your paint might peel or chip way sooner than it should. Lastly, poor installation techniques like using old brushes or rushing through coats can make your whole project look amateurish and wear out faster. The fix? Take your time, use proper tools, and prep everything well before you even open that paint can. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it helps homeowners like us find local contractors who are solid and trustworthy for any home improvement job. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people looking for work so you can keep busy without all the hassle of hunting down clients yourself.